So the colors are generated and it works so amazingly. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sanvi Agarwal, and in today's video I'm going to show you that how to use this Instax Mini 11 camera. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into this video. First of all, let's just unbox this beauty first. So here is our camera, and also let me show you that what else do you get inside this box. Number one is this user guide in which you can just read and understand that how to use this camera, which is I'm just going to tell you right now. You also get two batteries which I have already inserted in the camera, and also this wrist strap which will help you in holding the camera like this. Okay, so now let's power up the camera. So let's see how to insert batteries first. So you just have to open the side compartment of the camera where you can just insert the batteries. You can see that I have already done that part. Now we will just close it like this. Make sure to insert the batteries correctly. Now let's see that how to insert the film cartridge. So as you can see, this part of the camera, the back side of the camera basically. So you need to open this compartment, but I'm not going to open this because I have already inserted the films inside. As you can see that only two films are remaining in my camera. And one most important point which I will tell you in the end of this video, because I had made one mistake earlier when I used this camera, and I don't want you all guys to make that mistake like me. So I'm gonna tell you that mistake in the end of this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So you need to take the film cartridge and align the yellow mark on the cartridge with the yellow mark inside the camera. Place the cartridge inside and close the back, and you'll know that it's properly loaded when you will hear a click. To turn on the Instax Mini 11 camera, simply press the button next to the lens and the lens will pop out. You can see the light blinking over here. That means that the camera is on now. A small window on the back will show S for the first shot, which will eject the film cover. Mine is not showing because I have already used this and I have two films left inside it, so that's why it's showing number 2 over here. Now for the fun part, taking a picture. So you need to hold up the camera and look for the viewfinder, which is over here. First shot will not eject the film, but it will eject the film cover, so don't be alarmed. After that, each press of the shutter button will give you a photo. And the best part, Instax Mini 11 has a great feature for selfies. You just need to pull this front edge lens to extend it to the selfie mode like this, and you can use this small mirror next to the lens for framing your shot, and you can just press this shutter button for clicking your selfie or normal picture. And one of the best feature of this camera is its automatic exposure. This camera automatically adjusts the shutter speed on the lighting condition, so you don't have to worry about the manual settings. Just point and shoot. I'm just going to click one pic with this camera for you all to know that how actually this camera works and how the picture actually comes out. So I'm gonna use the selfie camera, of course. Alright, so here is our pic from the Instax Mini 11 camera. It's gonna take a little time, so it's happening. As you can see, the picture quality is absolutely amazing. So the colors are generated and it's absolutely beautiful how the colors are coming on this picture. And wait a minute, let me just show you. Okay, so this is the pic which I clicked in just front of you all right now. So you can also click your pic with this camera and it works so amazingly. I have mine in lilac purple color, and you can also buy yours. I will just link it down in the description box and you can buy it from there. To turn the lens off, you just need to press inside like that. The lens will get inside itself. Okay, so here are a few tips that will help you in getting the best results with this camera. Keep about 0.6 to 1.5 meter distance from your subject for the best focus. Number 2 will be avoid direct sunlight to prevent exposure. Number 3 will be store your film in a cool or dry place to maintain its quality. And number 4, which is the last step, to experiment with angles and compositions for creative shot. Alright, so the most important point which I was saying that I'm gonna tell in the end of this video is that when you will insert the film in this compartment, do not remove it just after inserting, because if you will remove it, then the remaining pictures will come in white color. And I actually did that mistake, and I didn't read this caution message written on this, which is, do not open the back cover until you have used up the film, otherwise the rest of the film is exposed and turns white. The film can no longer be used. So that's what I'm saying, that when you will just insert your film in the camera, don't open the back cover just right after that, because if you will open this cover and you have films remaining in this, then they will come out in white colors. So that's the mistake I made. So I don't want you all to make that mistake like me. So I thought that let me share this point also with you. So yeah, that was the most important point which I was telling you that I will share with you in the end of this video. So yeah, and that's it. Now you know how to use Instax Mini 11 camera to capture and print your favorite moments instantly. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe for more such fun tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and happy snapping.